bought a wig from Amazon, and I believe it was less than $100. I'm just gonna link it below and what's not, so y'all could see. But it's not the best of quality, but it's not bad either. But the lace said it was pretty plucked and what's not, so we gonna fix all of that right now. But also along with that purchase, I wanted to try the Eben New York tinted lace tint thingy spray, I guess, and then this L'Oreal Sleek It heat resistant thingamajiggy. But anyways, it's just a wig to just go over my hair so my hair can actually grow underneath, so I can have them real inches when I take the shit off. So I'm gonna start this today. It's a 22-inch body wave, bust down, yada yada yada. Yeah, just kidding. But I just wanted to see how it, how the shedding and what's not is. But otherwise, it's not bad. It's not. But yeah, let's get into it. Well, first I'm gonna start with cutting out my earpieces instead of plucking the whole thing and then still have to cut it. So I'll just do that first, which I think is gonna be a bad idea, but we'll do it. So basically all I'm gonna need is a comb, scissors, and whatever this is. What is it, eyebrow razor or something like that? Yeah, that. So I'm just gonna start off with combing the hair out of the face. So basically you just want to lay it out where you want your wherever your ear is, like where you want your wig to sit, and then just take your comb and like guide it just above your ear but diagonally up through the hair. And then now that I have my cutout placement, then I'm just gonna cut a little bit more closer to the hair line. Alright, and then I'm just gonna take my thingamabobber and cut straight through above the ear. Boom. See? And I'll do the same thing on the other side. So now that I've done the cutting the ear part, I'm just gonna actually start to customize the hairline. Oh my god. So then this could really look like it grew up my scalp. Feel me? So I'm just gonna get a reliable and a white towel so I can really see how the hairline is looking. And I'm just gonna use a spray bottle with water and a hot comb. And I'll also have a video on that as well. So I'll be back. So I really couldn't deal with that boxy harsh hairline. I didn't do much plucking, but just a little bit. I mean, this side want a little bit more, but we're gonna hot comb it and see, how flat it is. Oh, ain't that bad. It's not that bad. Yeah, ball cap, baby. I just trying one that close. I like that as well. So we got the we have the Eben tinted lace spray in a dark brown, and we just gonna all of this. We just back one so we can see what we're doing here. So after you do it up and just spray everywhere. That good. And that's what you look. Well, kind of ish. I think I might need to add a little bit more to make it more of my color. But y'all see. So let me try it on again and see what it's looking like. just do myself that little favor. Get that shit out my fucking face. No, that is what I call a stink boy. Even. Alright. And that match is phenomenal. Look at that match. Look at that match. What you can do now is pull this back. Alcohol my face where you know I can put the glue. Cause all that, see, all that tinting spray, thingamajiggy, get up my face. And I like that. So, well, it wasn't dry to begin with, so let me do that. Let me just say that. So I can keep my hot iron in, keep that beastly hot. And then, pow, pow, pow. Yeah. And grab this bad boy. Because we about to melt this here. So I got this here to the even lace bond. Boy. Yeah, don't take my word for it. But run out back. So let me go. Peel that back. Split that away. And I can just brush the hairs over my face. Brush everything back. Girl, what do you like back? And I'm rushing eyes, I mean, I like that. Okay. So, I can put it in a little one. Back here, so. Oh, Lord, not my deodorant going through the shirt. But yeah. And then I can just spray where I would want the glue to be. So I say what my hairline bow down here. Yeah, I want my hairline somewhere where so and then you just do it straight across. Alright, see? Tacky. Alright. I said do it 2 or 3 times. So bring this down into my, so you know I can kind of just like where's the comb that I was using? Where's the fucking comb? Right, so I can just, you know, kind of like push it down into the glue type vibe. Push it down into the glue type vibe. The elastic band, but it didn't come as yet. Well, not even elastic band, a whole yard, couple yards of elastic, and it didn't come as yet. So I just using, you know, what we have available. So let's hope that this works. So I think I'll start to like press my hair out in the meantime. You know, make sure everything flat and nice, look good. I don't know yet if I want to do middle part, bob. So I can just do piece by piece, row by row, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, just, you know, get my reliable wax stick and put it on the area, you know, flat iron, make things flat, look good, yada yada yada. Oh shit. Let me just turn on the flat iron as I got to using. That's so unprofessional. Wait, that know, so much fucking hassle. Well, that's flat. On my ass. Alright. Be serious. And I am by no means a professional, but I feel y'all should gather that by now. Call what the fuck everybody put here doing? Like, y'all ain't ever seen wells. It's all like ladies. So, and plus, I installed a like 4 years, and the girlies got so much fucking rules now. See, I'm forgetting the fucking rules. Got so much rules and products to use now that we wasn't using. But I mean, the products are better, the techniques are better, so it's like, can't even be mad. I know my mates had looked so crazy back in the day. Flat. Cool. Not even my ass is flat. Alright. Bet. Moving on. Cause I ain't that for me. Bro. Imagine hairstylists is doing his hair 46 times a day. Nah, so me, boy. Nah, foolish, stinky me. But y'all see how flat this is? Stiff will. Flat. Yeah. Finesse kid, boy. Come on, Emma. Alright, yeah. I just finished ironing both sides, so yeah. Let's see what it's giving. Oh. Okay. We can fix that. Cut it like that. Cut here. Oh my god. And then cut straight out here. Ooh, the tension just released when they take out that band. But not bad. Not great either, but not bad. And so then cut the lace the best. But we can go back in and fix that eventually. But I just put wax stick at the hairline. And just, trying to get that bad boy. Not fully melted it yet. I just straightened it out, so it'll be flat. Yada. So I just need to go in and clean up the hairline. I'm kind of like, do I want to do baby hairs? Do I not? I'm not really sure, but we'll see. But yeah, kind of like how it is though. It's really cute and flat and sleek. I need to do baby hairs at the side, cut them better, but I like how it looks. I like it. And I think this was a 22, so I kind of like it. It's cute. Very flat, which I like. So I may do some baby hairs, I'm not sure. I think the back needs some more straightening out, but it's a 22. Pew. I like it though a lot. It is flat, sleek, cute. And I think this wig was like what? 50, 60 bucks? I might be wrong. But hunty. Minimal plucking. I fucks with it.